Happy morning, children. Let us start with a good thought. A good health is the best wealth. What is wealth? Wealth means all those riches you have, money, house, everything is wealth. But which is the best one? Health. If your health is not good, then everything will go from you. So you have to take care of your health. Health is wealth. There is a proverb, health is wealth. A good health is the best health. For that, what you have to do? Exercise regularly, drink more water, eat healthy and reduce stress. Stress means thinking too much. First, let me define health. Health is the state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. Physical, our body. Mental, our mind, our emotions, our thinking. Social well-being, how you behave with the others in the society. So everything should be good. That is a complete state of health. World Health Organization is telling this. Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely absence of disease or infirmity. Disease illana healthy illa. You should be well in all these ways. So today's lesson is about communicable and non-communicable diseases. What are the communicable and non-communicable diseases? We will see that. For that, 4 points are there. For communicable diseases, to spread there are 4 things required. We will see that also in detail. Source, agent, source of information and host. Before coming to this, let me just start with this disease. What is a disease? A disease is a condition of living beings when some part of the body does not function properly. When your part is not functioning, any part is not functioning, you are having a disease. That is the meaning. A person suffering from a disease becomes sick and weak. He will be weak. Disease can occur due to different reasons. What are the reasons? There may be many reasons. We know that we have fallen sick or we have disease. How do we know? Because of the symptoms. Cough or running nose, or these are all symptoms. Symptoms are signs that show that we have fallen sick. Common cold, running nose is a symptom. Cough is the symptom. Okay. Next is 2 types of diseases mainly are there. That is communicable and non-communicable. What is communicable? Communicable means spreading from one person to another. That means if you have anyone is having a fever. Now we have a communicable disease which is, yes, coronavirus. We are all aware of that. If one is having the disease, easily it spreads from one person to another. Disease that spread from one person to another are known as communicable diseases. These diseases are caused by tiny organisms called germs. So, because of germs only it is spreading. Diseases that do not spread from one person to another are known as non-communicable diseases. Spread varum. So, they are non-communicable. They are caused due to nutrients deficiency. If you are not eating properly, your deficiency in eating will cause that disease. Or any of your organs are not functioning properly. So, communicable spreads from one person to another. It is caused by germs. And non-communicable spreads due to one problem inside you, that is a nutrient deficiency, your food you are taking, or the organs are not functioning. Anything it can be. So, let us see communicable diseases. For communicable diseases, 4 things are there. That only I told, I will explain. Source. Source means எங்கேருந்து அந்த disease வருது, யார்கிட்டேருந்து வருது, the person or place from where the disease originates, start ஆகுது. For example, a sick person, animal or garbage dump. These can be a source. Again, the disease were the source. Okay. Next is agent. Who is causing that? Agent is the thing that causes the disease in your body. For example, cold. Cold எடுத்துக்கோங்க. A tiny germ. And the germ பேரு rhinovirus. Rhinovirus is causing this germ. That is the disease. Sorry. A tiny germ is spreading this disease. So, different types of agents spread communicable diseases. Most common type is explained here. 4 agents are there. Communicable diseases spread பண்றது ஒருத்தர்கிட்டேருந்து ஒருத்தர் spread பண்றது 4 agencies. Agents. Who are they? Bacteria, virus, protozoa, fungi. Bacteria, they cause disease such as typhoid, plague, cholera, tuberculosis. 4 diseases mainly are. Examples are typhoid, plague, cholera, tuberculosis. In the disease la cause பண்றது bacteria. Virus, yes, coronavirus. Corona, the fever you are getting now, that is the virus only causing. Polio, chickenpox, measles, mumps and common cold. Protozoa, they cause disease such as malaria, amoebic dysentery. Malaria, amoebic dysentery, they are caused by protozoa. Fungi is caused disease such as skin infection. So these are all the 4 agents which is causing the disease, communicable disease. Next, mode of transmission. Mode of transmission means through which. So virus, bacteria direct through a medium it will come. The disease reaches the host body. Host means someone who is having a disease is the host. Different examples of modes of transmission are air. Air la varadhu. Then eating of or drinking of infectious food. Food மூலமா வருது. Food கெட்டு போயிருக்கும். So food மூலமா வரும். And insect bite. Direct contact with the person. If a person is having a fever, you go and touch the person, stay near the person, you will also get the disease. Cold spreads through direct contact. One is having cold. If you go near the person and have contact with the person, you will have cold. So mode of transmission can be direct contact, through air also, eating infectious food, or water, and insect bite. That is important. Host. Host means what? The person or living being which disease attack. Disease yaar attack pannadho? Who is getting the disease? That is a host. Who is spreading the disease? That is a agent. For example, if human beings you get the disease, then you are the host. Or animals, or sometimes even plants. So these are the things we have gone through now. Let me explain this. Host is the person or living being on which the disease attacks. Source is the person or place from where the disease originates. Mode of transmission is a medium or way through which vadi eppadi varudhu the disease reach host body. Agent is the thing that causes the disease in your body. So with this we'll finish, and next video we are going to see what we can do or how we can prevent the diseases.